all these slate pieces, and I'm thinking I might make some sort of coaster thing for the table now I've refurbished it. Just not sure what to do with them. Just routing the centres out to allow the slate to fit. Decided I'd make more than 6, so a bit more mess to be made yet. All cut from very messy. Now for gluing. Just gluing them up now. Had to come in through the long grain to cut the pieces out. Just gluing those together before putting all the jigsaw together. Now for the final glue up. So all the pieces are ready to go. What I've done is, because I need a flat surface, I don't want them to stick to the wood, so I've covered the wood in packing tape so the wood glue doesn't stick. Just in the middle of the sanding process, pretty much finished one, onto the other one. So just starting to sand the surface and get a nice finish on it, ready before I start varnishing. Now to round the corner up. What I'm doing, using this pot, going around it, and I'll sand to the pencil line. Not much work left now. Okay, corners taken off. Gone down to 120 grit, now let's go down to 240 and we can start varnishing. Okay, exciting times. Let's get the first coat of varnish on and see what it looks like. Well, it's not varnish, it's Osmo high gloss oil, which is amazing stuff. Waterproof, used for flooring, rock hard, so it should be perfect for coasters. So with the superhero type ones, varnish half and half, so you can see the difference in the colour popping. One sanded and one varnished. Unfortunately, I'll varnish them all at the same time. I ain't got enough paint points to put them on. We're gonna march on by to the beat. Little a new song sung for the boy, a broken